Today we're going to talk about the calendar page on the B-hyve Pro app. From the home screen, simply tap Calendar in the lower left-hand corner. And from here you'll get a month view of the calendar. This does include some information like the general type of weather you can expect on each day and what programs will be watering. The programs are signified by a little dot that corresponds with the color for that program. Smart watering is signified by a little blue light bulb on each day. For more information, you can simply tap on the day, and it will show you an hourly view of the watering events for that day. You can also tap on that event for even more information. This gives you specific run times and start times for each zone, and also the moisture levels for the amount of water that was put down. You can also go to the upper right-hand corner of that hourly view screen and tap to get more details on the watering event for that day. This will tell you each zone that watered, in what order, the start times and run times for each zone. And that is the calendar page of the B-hyve Pro app. For more B-hyve video tutorials, be sure to check out our YouTube channel.